Welcome to 112 Caughman Ridge Road. This cute 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a 2-car garage, fenced backyard with patio and deck, as well as updated luxury vinyl plank flooring and tile flooring throughout inside. It's located in the Caughman Ridge subdivision in Southeast Columbia, convenient to I-77, Garners Ferry Road, VA Hospital, and Fort Jackson. So we are out front. You can see home sits a little bit back on a slope lot, sloping uphill. You have a nice wide driveway leading up to the 2-car garage. Nice tree and some landscaping out front as well. And then a nice wide walkway leading up to the covered front entry. You have side lights on either side of the front door. And as you step inside into the small foyer, right off the family room, you notice the beautiful updated luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring that is throughout the space. Everywhere there is not tile. So again, off of the small entry here, you have a coat closet. And then you step right into the open floor plan family room, which has vaulted ceilings and a ceiling fan. You also have a decorative-only, so a non-functioning fireplace, not for use, but just for decoration. But you do have a nice mantle above you can put items on. Nice windows out towards the backyard. You have some built-in seating beneath the large picture window here in the dining area that is adjacent to the kitchen, as you can see. And here you have another pantry area just off the kitchen for additional closet space. You have some added built-in shelving in the kitchen here as well. You can see some on the left wall there, as well as some under the cabinets. You have white cabinets with stainless steel appliances. You also have some beautifully updated tile flooring that is in here and in the bathrooms as well. So again, stainless steel, smooth top, electric range, and above range microwave. French door refrigerator with the bottom drawer freezer and a dishwasher here beside the sink. And you have a nice sort of updated sink too, a nice single vessel sink, stainless steel below the window looking out over the backyard. So just over here, you have a split laundry room. So your washer, dryer connections are split on either side of the door. And this just accesses the 2-car garage that we mentioned before and saw from outside. So you have a nice open garage space in here. There's a little bit of shelving and pegboard and some hooks on the wall. That is a medium or small size SUV in there, just parked for scale, just to give you an idea of the amount of space inside. And quickly, we'll take a look out back. So you have a nice glass panel door. And then you can see you have patio and wood deck out back, as well as wood privacy fencing on the left and right and some chain link in the back that's sort of nicely grown up for privacy there. So nice size yard. And we'll take a look back inside. And your bedrooms and bathrooms are off of the small hall to the left of the living space. So you have your primary suite here. You have nice tray ceilings with a bit of extra height and a ceiling fan in here. 2 windows. This is a sort of a side and back facing room, including the bathroom. So in the bathroom, you can see the beautiful tile flooring again as well. You also do have a nice enclosed glass shower, nice walk-in shower. It's beautifully tiled in, tile flooring as well. Nice corner garden soaking tub with a frosted glass block window. And then you have double sinks on this side, strip lighting, nice oval mirror. You have some extra just cabinet space there in a hutch, and then also sort of a vanity mirror on this side of the sink, and then also your walk-in closet. The beautiful tile flooring continues into the walk-in, and then you have some additional shelving behind the door. And then last but not least, on this side, you have a private water closet, door that closes that off. Attic pull down here in the hallway, possible storage up there. You have a second bathroom here, with tile flooring and a single vanity. And a shower and tub. You have a nice rain head, shower head in there as well, except the time of the video. And bedroom number 2 has vaulted ceilings and a nice arched window, as well as a ceiling fan. Standard closet on the opposite wall from the window. And then bedroom number 3 also front facing. And you can see the closet on the opposite wall, ceiling fan in here as well. So that wraps up our tour of this home at 112 Caughman Ridge Road in Southeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.